Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about juicing. It's the start of a new year, and I bet that you all want to start with the right food and you want to start back on track in a lot of things of your life. One of my goals this year has been to lose weight. I decided that I wanted to start the year with a detox, and I have done this before, so I wanted to do a juice cleanse. And let me tell you about my experience and what I like, what I don't like, and what you need to be very careful about when you do juicing. So let's get started. First of all, I wanted to tell you a little bit of the background that I had. Let me start by telling you that I am not a nutritionist. I am not an expert on this. This is just my experience about juicing and how the juice cleanse has helped me to lose weight and to just be healthier. Okay, so I really had made some progress during 2020 on my weight journey, and I really wanted to keep it off. However, I wasn't able to because it seems that I just took some vacations from it and it wasn't good. So I ended the year with few extra kilos, and let me tell you that I just was completely decided to do this juice fast. So I made a decision. I had already done it, and I usually do the Jason Valley plan, and this is the 5 pounds in 5 days detox. And let me tell you that it's really good, and you will lose the weight. Okay, so let me tell you that you really are going to lose the weight. So if you are about to do this, I truly recommend you to follow this plan. Just do exactly what he says to do in this plan. Let me tell you a bit of a summary of what it is about. This plan, it has 4 juices during the day, but 2 of them are kind of smoothies because their consistency is more creamy and they are fuller. They will keep you full for more time. And the other 2 things that you can get is just, of course, water. You can get tea, and you will be getting water with lemon for just to start your day. And the next thing that you will be getting is the ginger shot. And the ginger shot, as Jason Valley call it, is just a half of apple with an inch of ginger, and just juice it together, and you will have your ginger shot. So it's truly amazing because you will start your day by getting half of a lemon squeezed on a glass of water. You will drink that, and around 10 a.m. it depends on what time do you want to start your juicing, you will start with your ginger shot. And after like maybe 5 minutes you can get your first juice, which I think it will be more like a smoothie during the 5 days, and then you will have like the 2 other juices in the middle of the day, and at the end of the day you can have your 4 juice. Actually, you have like only 2 different types of juices during the day. The first one and the last one will be the same, and the 2 in the middle are the same as well. So 2 different juices during the day, and as the day changes, the juices and smoothies change as well. And I wanted to share with you a little bit of a preparation that I needed to do beforehand so I could start my juices. I actually have my book in an application because Jason Valley has this application for your phone, and I started by just washing all my fruits and vegetables very well. I usually use soap to try to disinfect them and scrub them as well with this brush. And after I had everything very cleaned, I will go ahead and start getting ready my first 3 juices of the morning for the day. So I'm gonna be putting on the description box down below the juicer that I'm using and also the link for the book if you want to go ahead and buy it on Amazon, or you can also go to Jason Valley page or website and you can get it there, or just download the application from your app store or your Android if you're using Android as well. Okay, so that's about the plan. If you get hungry, you can get like a cheat thing. And the cheat thing, or the SOS meal, as Jason Valley call it, can be half a banana, half of avocado with some pepper, and maybe some berries, things that won't be affecting your progress in your fasting. And the thing is just not eating anything else than that. Don't put any processed foods on your stomach because it will mess your progress really bad. So please don't do it. Just keep it every meal of the day. So here are some tips that have helped me to do this juice fast like really successful. Number 1, drink a lot of water, okay? Just drink a lot of water during these days. Number 2, try to have all your ingredients, because that way you won't have any excuse that you're missing any ingredients, that you were hungrier and you didn't make your juice properly. So just make sure that you have everything that you need for all the juices and that you will really follow the plan as it is. Okay? Number 3, think and try to make like a list of things that you want to do during those days, so you can focus on those things instead of eating or instead of being hungry during this time. Okay, just try to focus on something else so you can get your mind busy and be focused on the things that you are going to do. If you are a mom like me, I really suggest that you do your 3 juices at the same time during the morning. So what does that mean? You will be using the first juice that you will be drinking around 10 a.m. and while you're drinking that, you can start making the second and third juices, so they will be ready and you won't have to be using all your fruits and vegetables during the day. Because I know moms are busy, and during these pandemic times we are more than busy with the kids at home. So I really encourage you to have these two juices ready and just put them in the fridge, and they will be good for you to drink whenever you are like scheduling them, and then you can drink them. They are going to be ready. You don't have to do anything until like 7 p.m. that it's going to be your last juice of the day. Then after 7 p.m. try to drink some tea, so it will help you to go to sleep and be like more relaxed. If you are doing the juicing for the first time, I don't suggest that you do any exercise during these days, because you might get a headache and you don't want to do that. Jason Valley really recommends that you go and walk for maybe 30 minutes. If you can do that and you feel okay, go ahead and do it. But if you are feeling some headaches, just try and stay at home, relax, try maybe even sleeping more during those days so you can really detox. Okay, so how do you drink them? Try and use some straws. There are some glass straws that you can use, so you don't use plastic, and also there are some aluminum, I think, reusable straws that you can get and that you can use for your using. Why straws? Because sometimes your teeth can get a little bit sensitive. If not because you're using a lot of ice, maybe because of the citrusy of the fruits that you're using. So I really encourage you to use some straw to drink your juices. Another tip that I really experience is that please do not skip any juice. The first couple of times that I attempted to do this juice fast, I really wasn't good at it because I kept skipping my last juice. And let me tell you that avoiding the fruit juice won't help you to lose the weight. I mean, I really had better results this time that I didn't skip any juices than the first two times that I did skip them. So just don't do it. Follow it like exactly how Jason Valley is suggesting, and you will see the results anyway. Besides, skipping juices might get you hungrier at the end of the day, and you might want to break your fast with something bad. So if you have any cravings, just please try to make them healthier, because if you get any craves but for pizza or something greasy, you don't want to know. I mean, it is bad because your body is cleaning, your intestines and your stomach are cleaning, and if you give your body something really greasy like pizza, some tacos or something like that, you will spend maybe half an hour or 1 hour in the bathroom, and you don't want to know. So please don't do it. Just try to stick to the plan and you will see better results. Try to avoid the scale as much as you can, because it will really help you with your mindset. So this is my experience in using. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you do want to do it, just do it. I really guarantee that you will be very happy afterwards, and just keep one day at a time, one meal at a time. Don't get discouraged, don't think of food, don't watch any videos about food. Just keep your mind busy and maybe just have extra naps, extra sleep, just to keep yourself out of the kitchen. if you are not drinking. I know this was a different video from the ones that you have seen on my channel, but I wanted to share this experience with you. And if you have any questions or if you want any suggestions, just let me know in the comments below. And if you want some healthier meals, I will add some healthy pancakes recipe that I have here on my channel, so you can watch that video as well. And if you're interested in more healthy meals videos, just let me know in the comments below and I will make more about this. I am really passionate about healthy food, healthy habits, healthy food, healthy diet. So just let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do more videos about that. I hope you have a very and great year, and I wish you all the best, and thank you so much for watching. See you the next time. Bye bye.